Yeah, I'm looking in cells. Now I'm in the nucleus, right next to the DNA, but it's all in a haze, so it's called chromatin, and it can condense to chromosomes, which common too, but that comes on later, dude. Nucleolus also there, producing all the ribosomes right inside the nucleus, where you find these chromosomes. This is all surrounded by a nuclear envelope, made up of two layers like players, which is pretty dope. Making up the holes, nuclear pores allows for things to pass through, acting as doors like those ribosomes that leave the nucleus and float in cytoplasm, which is like a jelly mess. This fills up the inside. In between ain't dry. Fluid supply supports like air holding up a kite. Contains many structures, some known then specifically as organelles, like little organs that are most definitely called cell parts. These are all the things cells are made of. Without them you can't do nothing. You need those cell parts. They're organelles that will help you and make you feel brand new. Let's hear it for cell parts, cell parts, cell parts. Now those ribosomes are floating all around the cell. They're the smallest organelles in the entire cell, and they make the protein, but they ain't alone though. Endoplasmic reticulum helping, but it's rough, yo. ER can be smooth or rough. Channels we be shipping stuff. Rough makes protein, fuse make that. Other proteins make this stuff. Made in cell, shipped in cell, changed in cell, don't come back. Proteins follow endomembrane and leave in a sac. Golgi apparatus prepares protein for shipment. Sacs are called vesicles and exit like extricament. Big sacs that store food or water called vacuoles. If you look in a microscope, they appear as empty holes. Sacs that break down are called lysosomes. Other sacs decuts are called peroxisomes. All of these parts sound same, but long live cytology, long live biology, because this is how we learn cell parts. Some are classified as organelles that are found in eukaryotes, but some of these cell parts are only found in prokaryotes, so you better check your notes and study these cell parts, cell parts, cell parts. Cells dividing. Cells need dividers. Centrioles have cells divide quick, some with small lines without casualties. Support the cell casually and gradually become the cytoskeleton. Geez, this supports the cilia. Moves the cell, really, yeah. They look like short hairs, unlike the long flagella. Microfilamentos and microtubules are proteins that help make these structures as whole. Here's the mitochondria, makes all the energy. Oxygen and glucose convert to ATP. All of this happens through a very important process called cell respiration, which we'll cover on another test. Chloroplast next, situated in the plant life. CO2, water taken in with the sunlight. Photosynthesis performed by all the chlorophylls turns light into sugar, stores energy real fast. Cell parts. Some are only found in the plant cells, some are only in animal cells, but 4 of these cell parts are found in every type of cell. You need to be able to tell all of these cell parts, cell parts, cell parts. Outside of the cell is the plasma membrane. For plants there's a wall, looks like a frame. Since I sang this song, it's only fair for you to study and prepare. Everybody say yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Cell parts. These are all the things cells are made of. Without them you can't do nothing. You need those cell parts. They're organelles that will help you and make you feel brand new. Let's hear it for cell parts, cell parts, cell parts.